Is the Blackstone tabletop griddle right for you?
Hey guys, we're Kim and Norm from Mountain Beaches, and we're the channel that brings you the best in RV living, DIY projects, boondocking tips, campsite reviews, and so much more. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe and hit that notification button below. If you've seen us before, welcome back.
So we just bought the Blackstone 17-inch tabletop griddle, and we're gonna put it through the ringer. We're gonna cook every single meal for a full day on that griddle and see how it does at the end of the video. We'll give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down and let you know. So the very first thing that we gotta do is we gotta season this grill and get it ready for some cooking. So there's a lot of talk about what you should use to season your grill. According to Blackstone, any vegetable oil will work just fine. We're just gonna use an inexpensive canola oil and put a little bit on there and several coats, and it'll be good to go. We've got our tongs with some paper towel, or you can use a cloth. And we're gonna cover all surfaces. You wanna make sure that you cover every little square inch of both the grill and the sides, tops, sides inside and out. Make sure you get everything coated with 3 to 5 coats of the oil so that it will be nicely seasoned and it'll keep it from rusting. After you put a coat on, you want to let the residual burn off, and then you'll do it all over again. For our very first cooking episode, we're going to start with breakfast. And so what do we have planned?
Oh, we have our special spinach omelet scramble, and it's got all sorts of fun things in it.
Yeah.
We're gonna have a side of sausage and some hash browns. Yum.
And in that scramble, we have some bacon and some tomatoes and onions, spinach.
Onions, green peppers, spinach, mushrooms, cheese,
Yeah.
avocado.
So let's do this. We're starting with the potatoes and the sausage because they're going to take the longest to cook. So we'll get those going. We asked a lot of you for advice on what size griddle we should get from Blackstone, and most of you said we should get the 22-inch. We didn't follow your advice. We went with the 17-inch because we wanted to weigh the capabilities of the griddle with the size that it took. And it's a little more difficult, I can see, in preparing a meal that has lots of different ingredients like this one does, but so far so good. Just a little bit more work. This is an awesome looking breakfast. Take a look at this, all on the 17-inch Blackstone Griddle. Compliments of Kim's recipe.
Yay.
Pretty yummy. I think we're gonna get a lot of food today in our 24-hour challenge.
It's lunchtime, and what's on the menu for this afternoon? We are gonna have brats and French fries. Doesn't sound overly healthy, but that's what we're doing. toy.
Middle number 2 off the Blackstone Griddle. Looks like a winner.
So one of the things that I am liking is, you know, when you make these frozen French fries and you put them in the oven, they don't get all this crispy wonderfulness on the outside. And you certainly can't do that on a grill. So I am really enjoying these French fries on the griddle.
I would have to agree.
Yummy?
Very, very yummy. Well, it's dinner time.
Yay! Are you hungry?
I am. I don't know.
You are crazy.
I don't know how I'd be hungry. We've had big meals all day long, but I'm ready for dinner, and it's a good one.
Yes, it is. We're going to have some sirloin steak and some grilled zucchini and red onions. And we're ready to go.
And we did a special marinade on that steak. So what was it?
Oh, it has a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, some olive oil, and some steak seasonings. Shake it up in a bag and let it set for a little bit.
All right, my stomach is ready. Let's get cooking.
Just a little bit of olive oil.
So here we are, tonight's dinner. What do you think? We added to it some cantaloupe with some cheese balls, mozzarella cheese balls, and it may look like chocolate syrup. It's really not.
It's balsamic drizzle.
So, bon appetit. Wish you were here to join us.
Good?
Yeah, it's really good.
All right, and I'm a veggie person. I do like steak, but I do like my veggies.
Yeah.
Very good. Yep.
Okay, so we've done a whole day of cooking,
Yes, we have.
and now I need to swallow. We did our breakfast with our egg scramble, their hash browns, and some
Sausage.
link sausage,
Yep. Then we had lunch with our
brats.
brats and French fries.
Yep. And now dinner with steak and grilled veggies. And all three of them were amazing.
Yeah, they all tasted great. All tasted great. So, what were our mistakes?
Well, one mistake, we ran out of propane in the bottle. There really weren't any other issues.
No, the big question is, we bought a 17-inch grill. Was that a mistake? Should we have bought the 22-inch grill?
Everybody told us to buy the 22-inch. And I can see big advantages to the 22-inch, where you have the two controls, you can have different temperature settings. But for right now, the size of this one, space is at a premium in our rig. So I think we're okay with the 17. It fits us perfectly. But if there's more than two of you, I would not get the 17-inch. I would then go up to the next size at least.
Oh, yeah.
The 22, or I think they make a 36. I'm giving it a thumbs up.
I'm giving it a thumbs up, and I'm excited to be able to cook outside more often.
One of the very best things about this grill is easy cleanup.
Absolutely. Do you know how much cleanup we would have had to do if we were using not the griddle, but a grill and pots and pans inside the rig? It would have taken me forever. And all that water that you use.
Yeah, what a mess. We're gonna clean this up I'm gonna show you how. So easy. So simple. You grab your scraper. Well, first of all, you heat it up. Get it nice and hot. And sometimes you might need a little bit of water. Get a little steam going. With that steam, all that baked on grime just comes right off.